Sini one, please. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Ham's Photo Vlogs. Today I'm here at this awesome place in Ipoh called Tin Valley. It's a cultural heritage place where craftsmen from many decades ago did their work here. This is now a cultural display shop and a coffee shop as well. Just amazing displays of artworks and craftsmanship. But aside from that, we are here to do some portrait shoot that I joined in. Actually, this event was sponsored by a camera brand to try their new products. Honestly, portraits is not my cup of tea, but it's challenging sometimes to try different genres of photography. So in the middle of the shoot, I decided to try my recent lens, the Canon M50 1.8 STM lens via the adapter for the Canon M50. So come with me and I show you photos of the models as I go along with the shoot. And at the end of the video, I will share with you my thoughts and findings of the lens. So please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell icon to be notified for my next videos. Thank you. One here, please. Thank you. Hello. Sini one, please. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. Hello. Thank you. One here, please. Okay, so here are my thoughts and observations of the lens. First are the pros. It is well balanced with the adapter and not front heavy. Decently sharp at f1.8 and very sharp starts from 2.8. Bokeh is just okay, and focusing is quite fast. Overall, the image quality I would say is above average on the M50 body. However, this lens is far from perfect. I find the focusing miss quite a bit. I am missing the focus about 40% of my shots when zooming in during editing. Not sure if it was user error or lens issues. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And lastly, I find the image quality is better when using on my Canon 6D. The bokeh is smoother and overall resolution is better. Overall, the image quality on full frame is better in my test. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments down below and see you in the next video.